cheap supermarket coffee. It's nice to wake up and have coffee, but
even if it's cheap.
Yeah, it's just the only one that had small packaging.
Are you gonna make me a coffee?
Is that how it works?
Yeah, I made you one. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, we're here packing up. We are leaving the province of Tuscany today, and we're going to Lazio. We're going to stay at a lake called Bolsena. Actually, a little crater lake. Yeah, volcano crater. So that's where we're going to be staying for the next couple of days. I think we're going to be staying there for about 2 nights and check out the area there. There's a couple of things around the lake that we want to see. But first things first, enjoy the last beautiful ride through the hills of Tuscany.
Another medieval township, Sifra. Italy's full of them.
This is really our type campsite. Just a little bit old, run-down kind of campsite where, yeah, there's not much people, there's not much there, but you have this stunning view. We like that type of camping. It's a bit run-down, old school, family-run campsite, and then this is your spot you sit at. Just loving the sunshine on the lake. We're just loving it. Hammocks out, everything's out. It's fabulous. Bolsena. It's so cute. It is so cute. This place is a bit like Bossa, where we were in Sardinia. It reminds me of Bossa. That was also like a place we were like, oh, let's go there. And it completely surprised us. It overwhelmed us with its cuteness. And this is very similar. So the plan is just to hang out here for today. We have an amazing spot at campsite right on the lake. Tomorrow we want to go to some famous areas here around, not too far away from here. Bagnoreggio. Oh, I have to practice my Italian. I can't pronounce these names. Tuscia. It's nice for our tent.
What flavors did you get?
Yogurt and something with caramel. I don't know what the other was, but it's really, really good.
Amarena, my favorite, and vanilla. I think it's the best gelato combination you could ever get. I think it's scientifically proven. It's got to be the most delicious combination you could ever get.
You still agree with that after trying mine just now?
Yes.
Give me a bite.
Mine's much better than yours. I'm going to go as far as saying that was probably the best gelato we've ever had. Well done, Bolsena.
I think if you haven't tried gelato like this, you've never had ice cream.
I think that's it. I think that's the miracle stone. Well, no miracle place. That's the stone where the blood bled onto. Holy stone. It says here, the holy stone, the miracle of the Eucharist, happened in Bolsena in 1263. That's not too far away from 800 years ago.
Well, that was impressive. Really impressive. Like, freaky impressive. Old, man. Old as the beginning.
Let's take a slokje. It's bright sunlight. Bright sunlight. 7:15 in the morning. We are on our way to a tourist trip. But, well, that's why we're on the way so early, right? Oh. Okay, we're on our way super early because we're cheap. Except if you cross over the bridge before 8 a.m. Bagnoreggio. Oh my god, what an entrance. Look at that. Enter the township of Bagnoreggio. Pretty steep, gotta say. Straight up. That's where it just came from. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Best medieval town so far. Already. Oh my god, it's cute. Look at this gate here. Isn't that cute?
Digging it?
Yeah.
Is this one of the cutest ones?
Yes. Definitely one for cute. I think it's the cutest because we're early. I think if you come here at midday, you don't think it's as cute as we do now.
If there's people here, you don't enjoy it as much. Now there's no one. We're the only ones here.
Nobody around. Bagnoreggio. Let's go. All right. That was uber cute. That's definitely stunning. What a good entrance to the village, especially. Like, walking over that bridge, the view is just incredible. I definitely highly recommend if you ever go to this place, go early. Go before you have to pay entrance because there's nobody there. And that just makes the whole experience a lot more unique. You have to wait for that first hour to be able to get to breakfast and coffee, but that's fine. And that gives you the peace. We're now gonna move on to Orvieto.
Next up, Orvieto.
Basically, similar thing but bigger.
Similar bigger.
Orvieto. Already says it on the sign. I see it. Over there. I gotta say, I think this is the best view to park a motorcycle, isn't it? Look at it. It's stunning. We just parked our bikes here at this amazing viewpoint from Orvieto. We are gonna stroll into the town, in the old medieval town, and have a look around, stroll around. Buongiorno. Grazie. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
We're here trying to hunt down the basilica. I heard the story was the miracle that happened in Bolsena. That tablecloth thing was taken up here to Orvieto. That's what we're looking for, the basilica here at Orvieto.
That's just come out of the blue. Massive cathedral. That's really impressive. What a facade. It's just stunning. It's just boom, there it is. I think this is definitely a place to go and see the inside of.
Ci spostiamo in Germania e andiamo un pochino più avanti nel tempo, fino al periodo del tanto. We moved from France to Germany and built a cathedral town. We're going to go back in time to the French Romantic period. I've chosen to do a short, a very sweet piece by composer Alexandre.
That sounds more churchy, doesn't it?
Just completed the circle, we found the relic and the series of relics for the miracle of Bolsena has been completed. We saw the stone and we saw the napkin thing.
That's the one. That's the cloth. The cloth with the blood. Right, there.
Also treated to a organ recital from some organ player, and he ripped up some really good church organ tunes. I don't know if that's the right way of saying things.
Here we are, back to the good view. Another medieval town.